Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video I'm going to show you one of the hidden features in Samsung phone. So guys, this hidden feature is called assistant menu. To activate the feature, you have to go to your setting application on your Samsung phone, and then you have to scroll down until you find the accessibility. So this is the accessibility setting, and you're going to click on the interaction and dexterity. Okay, and to activate the assistant menu, you can simply click on the circle button. Okay, and this is the assistant menu, and if you want to use this assistant menu, you just need to tap on it, and this is the assistant menu. You can use it to get quick access. For example, if you want to take a screenshot, you just need to click on screenshot right here. Okay, and you can also use this assistant menu to activate the cursor like this, and you can explore it by yourself, guys. Alright guys, and that's one of the hidden features on the Samsung phone. I hope this tutorial or this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.